Hi you guys, so welcome to my channel. My name is Carla and this is Carla's Sweet Life. Today's video is a clean, declutter, and organize with me. I will be tackling this cube storage that needed much organization and decluttering, and I'll also be cleaning some much needed areas in my home. I'll also be sharing some tips for organization and also share some really big news with you guys here shortly. If you are new around here, go ahead and hit the red subscribe button for future cleaning motivation and all the organization as well. And give this video a thumbs up, and let's get started with this video.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kind of like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable. So original, you are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win.
So starting with this cube storage, I am just going bin by bin, and I'm categorizing everything I'm pulling out of here into games or learning items. So just pretty much organizing and decluttering the stuff that is not being used and taking it one bin at a time. So you guys might have been noticing lots of decluttering and organizing. Well, there is a huge reason behind that, and the reason is because we are actually moving very soon, and we are a military family, just in case you're new here. My husband is in the Coast Guard and we are currently living in Hawaii, but it'll be happening relatively soon. Honestly, because of the pandemic, we didn't know if it was going to happen, and honestly, just things started moving really quickly. So yeah, that is the big news I wanted to share with you guys. So there's a lot of motivation coming from my decluttering and organizing, because I'm just trying to get ready for our move and having our household goods being shipped off in a bin to, you know, back to the mainland. So we are a family of 4 and soon to be a family of 5. I am currently pregnant. I am 24 weeks and soon to be 25 weeks. So super exciting. We have 2 little boys and the baby is a baby girl. So we're super excited. So the reason behind this move also is because I would rather have her in me versus having a brand new newborn and moving. My husband did get promoted, and so we were going to move either way, either before baby came or after. And I would so rather, you know, move before baby, because having a newborn and moving is really hard. We've done it before, and we made it happen. But if I had the choice, definitely move before having the baby. So I labeled the puzzles, and because we have so many that, you know, labeling them by number, and then that way they know which number they all belong to.
But until then, we're like a hurricane. So different, kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for your baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way. What can I say? That's what I like about you.
Guys, this is me in the middle of this. Like, it's a little crazy. All that is trash, so I got a bag.
Real things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high.
We've had these forever now, and nobody's used them, so I'm just gonna give them away.
I was knocked down, heard the countdown through the haze in the face of defeat, yeah. I was ruled out with no bailout on my own, all alone, left to bleed out. But I rose up from the ground, just like I was spellbound. All the odds were against me, so I picked up the pace, and now I'm in the race. Give me some space. I'm a movement and I ain't losing. Gonna go, 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 go. Like a bullet, won't take no bullshit. You should know, no, no, no. I'm about to explode. So I've been told that I should fold and give in. I can't win in this game, no. But you can hear me laughing. I'm the new thing in this field. You should kneel instead of me now. Yeah, I rose up from the dead. Your words inside my head. All the odds were against me, but now I'll lead ahead with grace. I'm winning this race. Give me some space. I'm a movement.
All right, in this first basket, I'm going to put all the puzzles in here, and then I'm gonna do another bin that has like game stuff to play with. So I'm gonna go from there.
You should know, no, no, no. I'm about to explode. I ain't asking for permission.
And I think I'm just going to place all these cords with like the electronic items.
I ain't staying in the background.
This is like all my husband's stuff.
Need your worry. I'm a movement and I ain't losing. Gonna go, 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 go. Like a bullet.
And because this cord is like really long, I'm going to use a hair tie to kind of keep it all together. And I just used a rubber band for this one. For these bins, I'm going to have one for the boys, like school items, coloring and all that. So one for Brayden and one for Jake. That way, when I say go get your coloring bin, then they can just come get it.
I've learned my lesson in hindsight. Why did I take my hand off the wheel? I'm like a deer in the headlights. Just can't believe what you think and feel. 'Cause I've been going backwards, drifting off with your words. Can't find a way to deal with this now. Don't you see you imply forever, but this is however, not in line with your own vows. 'Cause it's a bitter, bitter pill that I need to swallow, swallow still. Can't believe that this is real. To be going on without you gives me chills. It's a bitter pill. It's a
So these items are gonna be taken with us when we travel, and I kind of wanted to just have like one spot I can put everything in. So yes, that will be going. All right, you guys, this is the difference. Look at this. And that one's completely empty, and these are like barely full at all. So huge difference. Okay, and now I'm just gonna put all this where it belongs. This goes to our office area, and yeah, just putting all this where it's supposed to be at right now. And then this, if you watched my declutter of the boys' bedroom, this was not as full as it is now. But yeah, just getting rid of more items.
I was facing all the sunlight while our feet swung freely from the bridge. You asked if I'd save you, if you were crazy enough to take a swim. I try to make you see that my shoulder is ready for you to lean on. So
So in order to stay organized for our travels, I'm using these little, I forget what these are called, but you guys know what I'm talking about, where you insert the, oh man, I did it upside down. I'll have to redo that. But yeah, you just insert it here, and then it's like all kind of together. So that's my plan. Also, you can probably print this out and make it really nice and fancy, but this will have to do for now. It definitely does the job perfectly, and we'll have all the documents that we need when we are getting to places. I may need to add a few more of these, but this is a start.
On the sidewalk, when we bumped into this person that I knew, you thought it was an old.
Oh yeah, these are the travel items, and this is just that game. He got this for his birthday, so he just got it. So we're obviously not gonna get rid of it. It was fun, and it is fun to play, so. And then this is like my husband's stuff. And this is all the electronics. I'll be using this super soon for when we travel for my laptop, but these are just like all the electronics. So the biggest difference is like this puzzle one. It's so much more organized. And then the game one is just games and little fidgety finger things to do. And then, holy moly, that is crazy. And then this is Jake's little bin, but there's like these extra ones. I put extras, colored pencils, and crayons on that one, just so we can kind of keep track. That way I know what needs to go in there too. And then all this is cleared off. This is cleared off. And then this whole bag, which is crazy to me, was what's all trash.
But I told you it's not, so let it go. I try to make you see that I would not betray you in a million years. So.
And now we're just going to dust some much needed areas. The dust in these couple areas that I'm tackling were really bad. Like, almost stuck on there, kind of dust. So it was time to get it cleaned up.
There's too many disputes with you. Once and for all, just tell me how I can set you free. I need to know. I can tell that you've been through some kind of heartbreak. All I ever been with you is faithful like a blind girl. Every time I give you love, you still look so doubtful. I'm faithful like a blind girl's dog. I'm faithful like a blind girl's dog. I'm faithful like a blind girl's dog. Faithful like a blind girl's dog. Faithful like a blind girl's dog. Warm hands, but there's something cold in the way you are. The things you said had me going good, but it left a scar. You invite me and then you turn me down. Get my hopes up and then you're gone. I fall for every word that you say to me. So hard, being drawn to you so easily. I am stuck in a loop of chemicals. What's the point of this? But I don't wanna be alone. I keep looking at my phone, but you never call me. And then I see you on the street, said your heart just skipped a beat, and that you miss me. It's always the same story with you, but I just cannot refuse you.
Thank you so much. Thank you guys so much for being here, and I hope you look forward to all the upcoming changes. There'll be a few little changes coming up in the next couple months, but we're just super excited for our move and being closer to family on the mainland, which is the major one, and we're just excited for it. So make sure to stay tuned for this journey, and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. And I love you guys. I will see y'all later. Bye.